It's natural to wonder who's been looking at your Facebook profile. However, Facebook does not offer a feature that lets you see who has viewed it. This is to protect your privacy. Any app, website, or extension that claims to show you your profile visitors is fake and could be dangerous. They might try to scam you or steal your information. So here's what you can see on Facebook. The first thing is the stories. You can see who viewed your Facebook stories, and you can see who liked, commented, or shared your post, but not who simply viewed them. If you have a Facebook page or use Creator Studio, you can get information about how many people saw your videos. And don't trust fake methods. Be careful of any browser extensions or the app that says that they can show you who viewed your profile. Facebook does not let people track who views their profile, and third party apps also can't provide this functionality. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.